Hey guys, it's Alicia. Welcome back. Hope you are all doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these adorable print-worthy photos that look like they are jumping out of the cell phone. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. For the purposes of this video, I have made this a little bit bigger just so you can see it, but I recommend that if you make this design, that you make it into a print-worthy size like 5x7 or 4x6. So we're going to head over here to Elements. We're going to type in cell phone frame, and we're going to be looking for something that looks like this and make this bigger and get this centered. And the next thing I'm going to do is use my photo, and I'm going to drag this over here. I know you can pop it over here, but whenever I'm adding these, I like to just kind of see what they kind of do. And perfect, that's exactly where I wanted this to go. Now, if you want to, let's say you have this on a 4x6 or a 5x7, 8x10, whatever you want to print this out, and you want to have something to fill this dead white space over here. The only thing I can say to do is, if you're going to put this in a frame, you can take this by adding maybe a gradient color, or you can just change the color. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and use the color dropper and pick a color out of this image somewhere. So I'll just pick a lighter color, maybe something, I'm just going to pick this. The next step, and this is so easy. I know it looks hard, but it is so easy. Download this image as a PNG. And let me make this bigger. And the next step is I'm going to head back over to Elements, and this image, I'm going to add this image again, and we are going to remove the background, and we're going to make this bigger. And you have to play around with this sometimes, but it doesn't take long, and it'll just usually snap right into place. And there we go. That's how you do that. That's how simple it is. It looks like he is jumping right out of the phone. These are adorable. You can put these in photo frames. You can print them out. You can put this as your phone wallpaper. There's so many options to do with this. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.